Meron na naman tayong dalawang atsal. Ang cute. Ang cute, cute, cute. Yan. Diyan, oh, marami pang bunga hanggang paitaas. Kulikot natin. Wala muna. Nakabis ako the other day. So, ito yung atsal. Ito, oh. Ang daming bunga. Yan. Dami niya, dami. Dami bunga. Diyan, picture sa manang yan naka-video. Happy Monday everyone! Monday na naman, balik sa trabaho na naman yung mga nagbo-work. Diyan sa Ezekiel, gusto na naman niya maligo early in the morning. Yan, labas na yung ating mga manok sa kabuntagon. Did you find your swimsuit? You want to go swimming ba? Oh, you can't? Mommy help you. Happy Friday everyone! So, mayroong mga harvest today. Mayroon kaming cute na bisita. Oh, siya ang new harvester daw sa aming tomato. Ang cute na tig-harvest. Oh, dala pag basket. Oy, the green, the red one. Red one. This one. No, little Eloise.
I did it.
You did it. I did it though. Go get it. Pick it up. That. Yay.
Get your...
Go, Eloise, pick it up. Pick it up. Hard. Yay. Ezekiel, there's one. Yay. There's one more. Matthias, there's one more.
I gave her a hint.
Okay, here. Pick it up. Narating sugo raw.
You're one.
Yeah, go get that one. Dali, you wanna get it?
Yeah, grab it. Yeah.
Wow, good job. Uy, the heart. Here.
I have one.
There's one more.
No,
Right there.
give
can get
her
that one.
a pepper. Give
That
her
one.
a pepper.
Paper.
London. Oh,
Harvester na ko. Oh. Wow, here. You will hold this, okay? Go get the tomato, dali. Good job. One more. Uy, good job, Ezekiel, Matthias. One more, Eloise. Wow, good job. There's more?
I'm tall like... What I'm tall like?
You're just taller than them because you're older. Please.
Cheese.
Ay, naku, hi. Uy! Ay, Dan. Dali na, Dan. Dan. He wants to harvest. Oh, you want to harvest more? Uy! I think we call that in Philippines utot-utot. I don't know if that's utot-utot. It's different man.
Yes.
Let me see. Dili man siguro ni utot-utot, guys, no? Iba man itong utot-utot. Eh, yung shape ay.
It's pokey.
No, that's not pokey. It's soft.
It's soft.
That's the weeds. I think that's the flower of the weeds. But that's not. We don't eat that. What's that, Eloise? Utot-utot? There's tiny. Uy, kuya ka na akong harvester ba, oh? Ipang-ibot ng green. Ipang-ibot ng green. Wow! I just let them. It's okay. You did it! You just get only a red. That's okay. Go put that in the basket. Let's go. Let's wait for tomorrow again if there's more red tomatoes. So this is our harvest today, guys. Pepper and tomatoes. Look at this one, guys. We don't know. I think this is the weeds ko. Ano. I don't know what's this. Sabi ni Matthias, utot-utot. That's not utot-utot. Utot-utot is tiny circle in. I don't know what's this. It's just a weed. Weeds, vines in here that our fence.
Flowers.
So look at this. For how many days na wala ko nag-harvest. So tanawa ang atong sili kulikot.
What do you know, Dean?
Yeah.
No spicy pepper.
No spicy peppers. Here, go put it there. So ang Ezekiel natin ay
Oh,
basa pakos. They help me clean the pool. Here, go pick it. Mami will pick. Look at this, guys. Oh, lots of them. For how many days na ni? Look at. Hi, Ezekiel. Yep, only the red one. Uh-oh. That's okay. Go put in there. Thank you. Basa-basa pa ang bata. So after this, we go inside the house. And go change. And go home. Yeah, only the red one, my loves. Here, my loves. Gusto daw niyang mag-help sa akin. Yan siya. Ezekiel is for that time. Wow! We have a lot na kulikot para pang sagol sa ating adobo. I like to put it in my adobo. Good job. Let me see. How many you got? Good job. That's okay. Here. Wala, look at knock. We have the big one too. Look at this. Yung malalaki bitan na atsal, guys. Uy, nasira na. Look. Look. Let's give it a chicken. Chicken, I like it. Here. We have a big pepper knock. Uy, here, Ezekiel. Wow, there's a lot pa in here, guys. Oh.
Big one.
Wow, big one. Go pick it up. Because how many days man tapos nag-ulan bitaw sa guys. Nag-ulan. It rained how many days and then mao siguro niyo nalata ang iyang bottom. Pepper. Uy, did you put it there? Go.
Yeah.
I forgot. Laki na. Sana siya nag-ano na. Pero uy, look at guys. Oh. Hindi ko kasi ito na atiman og kuan. Wala na ako na atiman og. Yeah, just put it there. Be careful because it's spicy. Wala na ako na atiman og harvest. Oh. Nagian og ulan. How many days nga rain? Sayang. But that's okay because there's a chicken who would love them. Matthias, look! I found ladybug for your thing. Look, Ezekiel. Ladybug. Let's put that in your bug park. Yeah, there's ladybug. Uy, look at this. Ay, kasayang talaga, guys. Ito pa naman yung hinihintay ko na mahinog. Siguro kung nakuha ko to agad before nag-rain, nagsunod-sunod, siguro okay lang. Kahit ganito lang siya na kulay o tapos the rest is green, okay lang yan kasi mahinog naman yan kahit ilagay mo sa basket mo. I think there's a lot of tomato there, Ezekiel. Look at oh. Nalata na siya ang kuhan. Sayang. May ladybug here, Matthias. So ito, hala, mayroon na naman siya oh. Ang cute. So ganito to siya, iba to siya na pepper, guys. That one may be ready? Go pick it up. That's ready. So yan. Oh, there's other, that one is not good anymore. So we have tomatoes here. Yung tomatoes namin, guys, parang ano na siya ba? Parang taglagas na. Na nag-orange na siya, parang autumn na yun. Isa ba scratch here? Here, because it's part for you. Here, let's just get this 4 of them. We just let it, uy. Yan oh. So we have a lot of harvest today because it's been how many days na hindi kami nakapag-harvest. So ito na yung resulta. Yan oh. Nanay nalata. So ito yung big tomato. Uy. Ibot-ibot lang oh. Hala! Super big! It's like dragon fruit. Ang kulay niya parang dragon fruit. No, there's more in the top, Zeke. There's more here.
I got it.
You got it. Uy. Mommy just got it a second here. How many days na kasi, guys? Wala mi nag-harvest. Uy, nalata ng ubansaw. That way.
Boo, I found one right here.
Oh, you got it. I missed it, huh? Good job, Zeke. Oh, that's a good one. I love that. Ito na, oh. Sige, kaadlaw, sige, ulan. Nalata na siya ba? Nalata na siya, guys. Chicken will love this. I love that. Let's go. Let's go, hurry. Are you cold? Let's go so you can change clothes. Thank you for helping me, love. Cold na siya. Hindi na siya puyog-puyog. I got ladybug but I left in there. Naglinis kami ng pool today, guys. Kasi kapag sobrang init niya, guys. I'm here. Kapag sobrang init niya, mauna siya ang magkusa ang atong pool na mag-green. So, kahit na anong lagay namin chemical ay green pa rin. Kasi sunod-sunod yung napakainit. Let's go, Matthias. You guys cold? Rooster, go! Sige, hindi disassemble muna namin tapos. Nag-brush kami. Hindi ko na napakita na naglalaro sila sa bubbles. Sinalagyan ko kasi ng sabon tapos nag-brush ako. Tanggal yung green. Oy, mayroon pang tubig. Iniwan ko sa kanila para maglaro. Tapos ano ko na yan. Next time ko na naman yan i-pour out yung water. Para wala talagang water. Let's go! I have 1 egg today. Lesser na ang eggs, oy. At ganito yung karami yung harvest natin today. Kamatis, tsaka yung atsal. Atsal na mga cute yan, oh. Cute nila. Yan, super cute. Harvest sa ating munting taniman. Hopefully next time meron tayong malalaking mga gulay. Hindi lang lamas para makatipid ta kay ganahan ta magkaon. Ug talong, unta, okra, sus ang okra gikan-kan man sa manok eh. Let's go inside. Inside. Boys, thank you for helping me today. You have fun playing in the pool while mommy's cleaning? Yeah. Let's go inside. Let's go. So yan yung gawin namin today, guys. Ang itsura ni Mother. Mura nagi kumot-kumot. Uy! Sige na, let's go. Bye guys. Happy Monday everyone. Ang dagway ni Mother. Bye guys. So ito yung nakuha nato nga lamas sa atong garden. Mag-adobo ko karon og batong or sitaw. Yan yung ilagay ko. So yan na guys. Yan yung sili ko. Tapos yan. Masarap ang ginisa na gulay pag maraming kamatis. Since marami tayong harvest na kamatis, why not putting a lot of tomatoes? So yan, ang lamas sa atong kinabuhi. Ako na pong nabali-bali ang batong. Yung sitaw natin na nabili ko sa Asian store guys. Dito minsan lang ako makita. Ganito tapos, namiss ko kumain ng sitaw. So ganyan, aadobuhin natin to. Kasi may leftover akong pork yesterday na nabili namin. So yan yung isubak. Tawag sa amin, subak. Ani. So let's cook.
Maybe can you?
Video guys. Luto tayo ng lunch. Lunch. From garden to karahay. Yan. Ang sarap ng ginisa kapag maraming kamatis guys. Yan. Yan. Tapos masagol na po nato ang atong leftover na tawag ato sa Hawaiian roast na naman ako ang guys. Pulled pork ato ang siya. Kalimot ko. Lulwa pig ang pangalan dito sa ilang orderan. So, ano siya, basta pork na siya. Karning baboy, gamay na itong leftover. Yan, nangalo na. So, gisunod na nato ang atong batong o sitaw. Ayan pa ba niya, spring beans. Gamay na tuyo, para dito parat. Tapos matangan nato o vinegar. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting water guys. Para dili kayo siya po. Not soup. This is, we call it in Philippines, adobong batong. Nagtanaw siya nga, uy, ang among gi-harvest na kamatis o pepper, giluto ni mami. So yan. Para di kayo siya parat, ginabutangan ako siya gamay tubig guys. Since madali lang maluto ang atong sitaw guys. Hello. Ato na nang idagdag ang atong sili. Okay, hapit na ni maluto. Depende na sa inyo kung i-apil ninyo gisa sa mga lamas. Pero ako ilitan ako para di kayo power ang kaanghang. So yan ang lapit na maluto. Mabilis na maluto ang sitaw. Uy. Yan. Dami yung sabaw. Yan, lapit na yan. Mabilis lang mag-adobo ng sitaw. Maraming kamatis, kaya maraming mga liso-liso sa kamatis. Nilagyan ko ng maraming since marami tayong kamatis, why not lagyan ng maraming kamatis. Yan, luto na yan. Pwede na yan kainin. Mabilis lang maluto yung adobong sitaw. Yan siya. Kain guys. Kain po tayo. Lunch time. Kain po tayo ng pananghalian. Yan, luto na guys. Lunch tayo. Yan, kanin. Di mawawala. Tapos, kape na naman. Kahit ang halik. Coffee is life. Kain tayo guys. Lunch po tayo. Lunch.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.